Hey folks, Dustin Troyan here, back at Supercar Sunday. What an incredible morning out here. And you never know who or what's going to show up. That's the beauty of the show. And we had a nice row of beautiful hot rods come in. You always get a lot of hot rods, but these just look spectacular parked together. So much fun. And I always tell people, if you look at Supercar Sunday, we have these hot rods, right? Come over here. You got Black Series, Huracan Evo Spider, GT3 RS, and 85 Turbo. You get everything. And it's a great day out here. Absolutely stunning day. Yeah, I always tell people that I love cars, but I love people more. And you have so many happy people out here. This is what we do. If you're part of the car community, car culture out here, this is how we do it. This is what we do every Sunday. Sponsored by Porsche Woodland Hills. Hey, JR. What a fun day. A lot of fun stuff out here this morning. This is just kind of a average day out here. I'm a Camaro guy. I got a 68 and a 69, so naturally I've got to look at 4-speed in there. Just needs paint. Looking good. 68. This is really cool. IROC Z International Race of Champions. I had a 92 Z28 that I put IROCs on. Love this thing. 5.7 LT1 motor.
Did you see the red one?
See the red one?
You guys look like you've never seen an IROC before. I always tell the story in high school on the cover. You remember how we had those folders with the plastic covers? Yeah. I had a blue IROC Z T-top car on the cover because that was my dream car.
I might have one here. I don't know.
Oh,
You don't?
I think it's orange.
I love this.
I bought
Bitchin'. It's beautiful. What a cool car. If I could find one of these in good condition, I'd probably pick it up. We got Larry's Viper. So, just another average day out here at Supercar Sunday. Cars keep coming in. This guy spent the night. What do you say, boys? Wow, it's pretty, isn't it? Then we got a little JDM section over here.
It does, which kind of sucks though, right?
This guy was the first guy here today in the JDM section. It's awesome. Super cool. out here, Supercar Sunday. Nice, another little Camaro over here, 69. Nice patina on it. There you go. That's funny. You want to sell that thing? I actually have one. It's just like this. Same patina. Fun stuff. All right, well, I just want to give you all a glimpse of what we're doing out here this morning. Supercar Sunday at Pierce College, brought to you by Porsche Woodland Hills. Another great day. Cars, people, families, passion. There's so much to see that for some people it's overwhelming. Fast little car. Nice. 67 Chevelle. Got a 67 Chevelle on slammed on 20s. Needs paint, some body work, but can't go wrong with the 67 Chevelle. Morning. Great day out here. All right, I'm gonna sign off for now. But another beautiful day out here at Supercar Sunday. Everyone's having a great time. We got our sheriffs over there always supporting the event. We appreciate them very much. And a little windy out here. We had to take our tents down, but nonetheless, beautiful morning. All right, signing off for now. We'll see you later.